Okay, today is day 13, you guys. My face feels a little dry, but you guys, I feel so good. The itching, a little, but not really. Like, it looks like the wounds are almost all clear. I have this, and I'm having the IPL to help with the redness on Thursday, so in a few days. So that is what's going on. So that, yeah, perfect. Everything is going beyond perfect. Okay, day 13, and I'm on my way to my grandson. He's 7, you guys, and he's playing football, and I'm so excited to go see him. But today is the first day that I have put on some makeup, and so I wanted to show it. I wanted to like document it because I don't know about you. Do you see any red, babe? Do you see any red?
Look like a nice peachy shade.
He says I look like a nice peachy shade, but you can't really tell. So first time, here you go.